Hello, SirParts and subscribers, and right now we're going to have our new topic, Java programming. Topic 1, how to compile your first Java program. So please do not forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell our video so that you could have the latest videos of SirParts Online, especially this programming topic in Java programming. So shout out to all students of Jeremy Shushakan campus, and I hope this video could help you in your review for Java programming. So yan guys, yan yung topic natin, and let's start. Start po tayo guys. Um, Very basic, what you need to do is you could use a notepad. Ayan. You have the notepad and you can use this as your text editor in creating your Java program. So let's start. So let's try to configure first our font. Okay. Okay, so the first is you're going to write the code. Okay, public class hello. And hello is the name of your class, and the public means this is accessible to all other programs. And you're going to type this one as the beginning of your class. And then after that, you will have this one. Okay, and this is your main program. Every Java program must have a main program in order to run. This is the first program that will be used to run the main method of your Java program. Then after that, we're going to have our text. Okay, so this is our statement, system.out.print line, print ln. Normal problems here for new programmers would be this will be used as letter L or number 1. So this is print ln, print line. So this will display the text hello sir parts in your command prompt. So let's try to close this one. And there you go. We already created our program and we need to save this one, this particular program. Click File, click Save, and then after that, create a folder. Let's say, for example, we have new here, new folder, in your C or whatever. Well, rename. You can rename this one. This is Java codes. Okay, so Java codes, name our folder, and when you're going to save here, make sure the file name would be the name of your class. You have to consider also the correct capitalization for that, no? So I'm gonna type hello, then I'm gonna click here all files, and the file extension will be .java. So that's hello.java. Then that's save. So I'm going to look at the folder. Let's try to look at the folder. See, then Java or Java codes. Then we have already our program here. Java, what's the hello.java. So that's we already have our program, and right now we are going to compile the program so that we could create a bytecode, a dot class. So what you will do is we will use the command prompt cmd, and then I'm going to go to the direction, the location of the files. I'm gonna click cd dot dot. Cd dot dot is change directory, and I will go now to cd java. Okay, okay, cd dot cd java codes, java codes. Let's try to rename first our okay, java codes. Okay, java codes. Okay, so we already have here in java codes, and I will click the I type dir, so you could see now the hello.java. Then after that, try to I will try to uh, type set path, and I'm going to look at the location of the Java compiler. So to do that, you click this folder, you go to C, okay, then go to program files, then go to program files, then look for Java folder, then click the GDK folder, and last is the bin. So once you already have the bin, you click this one, then right click, copy. So the Java compiler and the Java uh, is present on this particular folder. So I'm gonna paste that here, and then I'm gonna click enter. So, and then after that, I will now use the Java compiler, then type hello.java. Okay, so if there are no errors, that means we already compiled the program successfully, and we're going to look now at the folder, no? We're going to look at the folder of which we saved our code. So we have here Java codes. Okay, so you can see now this is our program hello.java, and after compilation we have that hello.class. That hello.class is the bytecode that we create, and that is readable by the Java virtual machine. And you can copy this and bring and paste that, and you use that in any other operating systems. And this particular program will run as long as the Java virtual machine is installed. So let's try to run. So to run that hello.class, you are going to type Java, then hello. So no more that class. So Java hello. Enter. There you go. The output is hello SirParts. So that's one way of compiling and running our Java code. So okay, so another way is you are going to create a. The second way is you're going to create a run.bat. Okay, so to do that, you can use a, okay, I'm going to delete this one, the hello.class, so that we could compile, no? We could compile this particular program using run.bat. So to do that is you're going to open the notepad. Then once you have the notepad, you type now at echo. Let's try to change the font first. So 24 at echo off, then post set path equals, then you're going to copy the location. I guess we already copied that location for the path. And after that, you are going to type Java hello.java. Then let's have both here. Then Java um, hello. Then close. Then after that, you're going to click File, click Save. Then you look for the location of your program. So we have that in C. then Java codes. Then we type here run.bat. Make sure the save as type is all files, and then click save. Okay, so we already finished creating our run.bat, and we will no longer go to CMD for that purpose. So let's go to our file location. So this is our run.bat, is a batch file. And when we're going to click this one, okay, so press any key to continue. Okay, hello SirParts. So the press any key to continue is um, because of this pose. We have three poses here, so there are three three press any key to continue here. It's we already created our first Java program the using the normal compilation using the CMD prompt and using the run.bat. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something today about how to compile the Java program. So on the next video, I'm going to tell you how to display in a batch file, how to display text in a batch file. I'll include that in our next video. Thanks. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye, everyone.